In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate your personal meeting ID, or PMI, within Zoom. This is a handy piece of information that you'll find useful, whether you're scheduling meetings or need quick access. Let's dive in, and I'll guide you through the process, both on the web portal and via the Zoom app on your devices. First, if you're on a computer, here's what you need to do. Begin by signing into the Zoom web portal. You can do this by heading over to zoom.us, or, if your organization has a custom Zoom domain, simply use that link to sign in. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll notice a navigation menu on your screen. From this menu, click on Profile. This section is where you can manage many aspects of your account. Here, you should focus on the Meeting section, where you'll see Personal Meeting ID listed. To view the full number, simply click on Show or a similar button, depending on your account settings. If you prefer using the Zoom desktop client, your PMI can be quickly spotted here too. Navigate to the Meetings tab and click on Personal Meeting Room. This area will provide you with both the link and the ID associated with your PMI, streamlining access for your upcoming meetings. On the go more often? No worries. Let's explore how to find your PMI using the Zoom app on your mobile device. Begin by opening the app on your phone or tablet. From the main dashboard, find and tap the Meetings tab. Here, look for Personal Meeting Room Info, and once there, your PMI will be displayed alongside the Join link. Now, let's discuss a few crucial details about your PMI. First, your PMI serves as a dedicated meeting space linked to your specific account. It remains consistent every time you use it unless you decide to change it. Because it doesn't change with each meeting, anyone you invite using this ID will return to the same virtual room. Typically, your PMI is a 10-digit number, although older accounts might see a 9-digit number instead. In contrast, IDs for scheduled meetings can be a bit longer, sometimes stretching to 11 digits. An important aspect of managing your PMI is customization. If you choose to change it via your profile settings, keep in mind that any scheduled meetings relying on the previous PMI will automatically update to reflect this change. Considering security, a personal meeting ID is always open unless you lock it. To safeguard your space, it's highly advisable to set a passcode or enable a waiting room feature. Many organizations emphasize the necessity of security by recommending that PMIs should not be shared publicly. And that's it. You now know how to locate your personal meeting ID and some best practices around its use. This knowledge will help you seamlessly navigate through Zoom and ensure your meetings are efficient and secure. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.